Welcome to WakeNbake Recipes. Today we are going to bake a beautiful braided bread called Challah bread. This bread is used for ceremonial occasions during the Jewish Sabbath and other Jewish holidays. Let's start with the ingredients: bread flour, water, vegetable oil, honey, eggs, yeast, salt and sesame seeds. Add your whole eggs and egg yolk into a bowl and mix well. Now add your water, honey, oil and salt and mix again. We can now add the flour and yeast to the mixture. Start mixing slow until all ingredients are well mixed. This takes around 3 minutes. And then mix fast for around 7 minutes. Your dough should be smooth and extensible. Then take a bowl and use some oil in it. Shape your dough round, cover it and let it rest for 90 minutes. Deflate the dough while using your hands. Divide the dough into 6 pieces. Then shape them into balls. Cover them and let them rest for 10 minutes. Now flatten 3 dough pieces and shape them like this. Now you can start braiding them. Place them onto a baking tray and let them rest for around 45 minutes. Let's prepare an egg wash to glaze the breads. Use some sesame seeds as finishing touch. Now they are ready to bake. Thank you for watching. Did you like this recipe? Let me know and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.